till I catch you. Every time I sip on codeine, I get pumped. I know I'm a thousand and a star when it comes. She understand I can't take it everywhere I think I'm going. I can feel like tears in the phone. I can hear your tears when they drop over the phone.
Hello you guys, welcome back to another video. If this is your first time here, hey, my name is Destiny. I am a stay-at-home, I'm a pregnant stay-at-home mom of 3, and this is our channel. So obviously I stay in an apartment complex and I have inspection Thursday. So your room is in here clean. And I'm going to start cooking because I'm kind of hungry. AJ! Stop it! Yeah! He be talking trash, y'all. I don't like that. But I just moved my refrigerator, swept the mop back there. I got a buttload of dishes over here. And I got a coffee cup over here. Something really major over here. I did clean this closet out. And the girls' bikes are in there now. And then the other closet, that one right there, is also empty. So we're off to a pretty good start. I got the air blasting because it's hot in here. Y'all know how it gets when you're pregnant. Mind y'all, I'll be 12 weeks tomorrow. I've been tracking. And we're gonna get into, hold on y'all, let me move this back. So now I'm about to clean this nasty kitchen. It's not really nasty, it's just, we have a lot of dishes. We have all our dishes. Most of our dishes are down. I'm about to get that straight back up though because I'm ready to chill out and I'm ready to eat. And yeah. Let's get into it because we still got to clean the bathroom down here too. So come on, let's get into it.
Early in the morning, late at night. You don't even remember turning.
I'm still a fan even though it's salty. Hate to see you around the bend, are you happy? Hate to see you happy if I'm not the one driving. I'm so mature, I'm so mature. So much joy, got me in therapist to tell me there's a limit. I want and I just want you. And I can't have you, no one should have mine. I look in my eyes, not the best idea. His new girlfriend's how I get here. I look in my eyes, I still love you. Rather that you might really love her. This is gonna be evidence. This is evidence. I try to ration, but you know murder's a crime of passion. But damn, you was out of reach. You was at the bottom of my gate with your perfect keys. Now I'm in a phase, man. Now I'm on my case. Now you lay your face down. Got me saying over. I'm so mature. I'm so mature. I'm so mature. Got me in there. Just to tell me there's a man. I just want you. Kill my ex, I still love you. Rather be more than alone.
with your conscience. Girl, take when niggas go missing. It's chalky, you ain't no different. These days it's hard to meet women. Feel like my love life is finished. I've been avoiding commitment. That's why I'm in this position. I'm scared to let somebody in on this. No new friends, no. You know how this shit go. You got your fair share of the call you up and call your phone. You try to act like it's just me, but I've been all alone. But if you're alone, then say my name, say my name. Cause I wanna be around you. Say baby, I love you, but you ain't right, girl. Say my name, you like to count the state of it. Baby, you ought to say my name. Say my name, say my name, say my name. Say my name, if no one is around you. Yeah. Say my name, say my name. Cause those other men are practice. This ain't no time for acting. This ain't no time for games. This ain't no time for uncertainty. This ain't no time for locking your phone and not coming home and starting some shit. When I'm in the zone, this is what I've been saying. No new friends, no. You know how this shit go. This is not 4 years ago. Time escapes me now. Forget how it felt when this shit was.
Alright, y'all. I have y'all flipped around so I cannot see the screen. I can't see the viewfinder, so I really don't know if I'm all the way in frame or none of that. I don't know. Okay? So bear with me as I try to master having y'all flip around, okay? Because I'm used to looking at myself in the viewfinder. And I have the flash on, so I'm really, you know what I'm saying? But obviously, as y'all can tell, it's like really late. It's not really late, but it's just dark outside. So yeah, as y'all can see, I didn't finish all the dishes. And I'm gonna have to like look off and talk to y'all a little bit. And I know I'm supposed to be like looking directly at y'all, but it's the fact that light is bright as hell, y'all. I'm sorry, so I'm gonna have to, you know what I'm saying? Y'all catch me doing something like that. But that light is very bright, and these glasses are very old, and my eyes are very bad. So yeah. Now I done had this coffee. Sitting over here marinating for a little while. Oh, y'all, I left that stuff on my stove. I can get it off the stove. I'm gonna show y'all what stuff I'm talking about. When I say it's cheap, but it works, just like the real stuff, I love it. Like I cooked not too long ago, like maybe 2-3 hours ago. And y'all know how it be when y'all cook, when you cook. It's stuff all over the stove. And so, it was stuff all over the stove. So I'm like, let me use my Dollar Tree cleaner. It's this multi-purpose cleaner mix, and it looks like this. Now this jar I bought like a month ago, so it should be half empty, or so you would think. I didn't have sponges when I first got it, so I didn't use it for like a whole month after getting it. So at this point, I probably had like for like 2 months now, and I've only used it twice. And so now, like, let me see if I can find, like, y'all see that? Gone. Like this stuff, and then I gotta, like, y'all see. Hold on, let me get y'all right. All right. So remember I told y'all that my big eye was not working. He came, the maintenance man came today and fixed it, and I'm not trying to tear up my stove, y'all. I'm just trying to get that residue stuff off of my stove. But let me go ahead and finish cleaning everything else, because I can, you know, sit y'all up. And let y'all see after. But do y'all see how good that stuff? Let me see if I can. Like, look how good. Look how my finger just glides. Nothing. everything. I love it. I love it, love it, love it. Now y'all look at my doggone things up here. We're gonna write those down too, cause you know, I haven't really. Hold on, y'all. Let me get y'all propped up because I can't work to save my life right now at this moment. So I'ma just talk to y'all while I can without my face being on the screen because it's just me and Kitty. And even though my man knows that I be making videos and stuff, it's just like I don't want his company to think, oh, his girlfriend is weird because she wants to be a YouTuber. I don't want that. Even though I know my man is gonna go off about me, I will just, you know, be his quietest mouth and do a voiceover later. But I got these things from Dollar Tree. I think I told y'all that one time before in a previous video. And yeah, so now let's all clean and wipe off. Yeah. Okay, now let me get these doggone drip pans over my eyes because I did try to clean them a little bit. Yeah. And y'all, I cut my bone finger yesterday. Trying to cut the pack open up some bacon. Just look at my little poor finger. I mean, I thought the knife was dull because I just be using it. I just be using the knife to, you know, cut open packages like bacon or some rice or something like that. Maybe I did. Bro. Quit touching stuff. Stop it.
I look like I'm the man.
Stuff like that, or to put some butter or something like that, or little stuff. I don't use it to like put meat or anything. And girl, let me tell you, that thing went through my finger. It sliced my skin so smooth. I said, oh, that mother effort hurt. I did cuss. I was mad as heck, y'all. I was so upset. Because one day last week I had just burnt my finger. The same finger might I add. I just burnt this little thing. And I'm thinking like, Lord, do you need me to stay about the kitchen? Because I miss being in the kitchen. You know, after I told my man that I was pregnant or whatever, you need to rest. You know? And that's just what I did. I went right upstairs, got in my bed, and I took a couple of naps. A couple times throughout the day. Sorry if you hear a screaming baby. That's just the story of my life, and that is why I drink like 2 or 3 cups of coffee a day. But let me just say, I haven't been drinking any coffee lately because I ain't got no creamer. And I don't have the ingredients to make my own creamer, which is what I'm going to start doing because why the heck do they have vegetable oil and creamer? Why do I need oil in my coffee? But it's FDA approved though. Let me not get into my stuff. So I'm just fixing me a cup of black coffee and I'm just gonna put some sugar in it. Cause and we ain't about to ask nobody for no milk. I'm just being honest with y'all. And plus I don't know how long I'm gonna be, you know, like filming. Like I don't know how many days this is gonna be. So so far it's been a full day of vlogging. Not a full day, because if it was a full day, trust me, like I'll have to split it up into part 2s, part 3s, because this household is functional, honey. See what I'm saying? Say hey y'all. Hey y'all. And don't mind her hair, don't mind my hair, don't mind Alea's hair, don't mind AJ's hair. Because yesterday she didn't go to school. Today we had a tornado warning, so the whole school was out. And I don't know what time it is right now, but I do need to get something in her head.
Just the beginning.
But I'll probably just put some ponytails in it for now, because I gotta get some shampoo and conditioner and give all our heads a good wash. But yeah, if I don't hop back on the camera no more tonight, I will definitely see y'all in the morning. But if not, I'll see y'all a little later.
Baby, with you, I ain't got no doubt. Just